are with Nico, and we're gonna be making what, Nico?
Empanadas.
Empanadas. So we're gonna have savory empanadas and sweet empanadas.
Oh, yes.
Do you like empanadas?
Yeah.
Okay.
Really, I like.
You really like them? So first we're gonna start by making the empanada dough. Make sure it's all the way filled inside.
Yeah.
Just feel and you pass the hand to top it. Like this. Okay, perfect. One, you can put them here in the food processor. Now we're gonna have to add the butter. Right now, we need to add the egg. Crack it here on the counter. A little harder. A little harder, even harder. Okay, now you can open it here. So we are gonna open it here before to make sure we remove all the little pieces of shell, if there's anyone. You can throw it here also. Perfect. Wait. We need to cover.
I want to do it.
So very slowly, we're gonna be adding a little bit of water. A little bit. Okay, oops, okay. Let's mix it with the spoon.
I'm gonna try some.
What are you trying?
I'm trying jelly.
Guava?
Yeah.
Oh, I think it's almost ready. Let's mix a little more. Now we're ready for rolling. Gonna clean up here a little bit because we have some spills. Okay. All right. Are we ready
I'm
to
a
start?
hungry boy.
Are we ready to start rolling the dough?
Yep.
Okay. Let's do it. Okay. We need to put some dry flour here on the counter.
Yay.
Yes, good. Press it down. Roll it a little bit with your hands first. First you press it with your hands and then we start rolling it, okay?
Press. I want to press it.
Our dough looks a little brownish because we use whole wheat flour. If you use the regular all-purpose flour, it gets white. You want to use this one first? And
Yep.
then
Broken a little bit.
it's okay. You can keep doing it.
That's it.
So we need to roll it very thin so that then we can have our empanadas that are not very thick, so that the dough is not too thick, okay? We're gonna start cutting the shapes of the discs, okay? We put it on the edges so that we take advantage of the dough. You can put it here, right? You can also do this with a small plate or with a cup, depending on the size that you want your empanadas to be. Okay, Nico, you can put them here. Good job.
Put it to the oven.
Almost, not yet. First, we need to roll the dough.
I'm gonna roll it. Roll. need to make 3 more.
How many do we
There's
have
more
in total
space.
now?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9. Oh, so we're 3. How many are we gonna eat? You, me, and Daddy.
I'm gonna eat these. I'm gonna eat.
How many do we have for each of us? There are 9 and there's 3 of us. So Daddy can eat 3, you can eat 3, and I can eat 3. 3 for each. We put about 1 teaspoon. We don't want to put too much because these are small empanadas. Stop it. Stop eating all the filling. A little bit of water in the edges. So it's better to close them and they can stay very tight and they don't open up when we bake them. And we're going to be closing each of them very tightly. And then doing this closing. Looks so cute when we close them, right?
Yep. Because
Nice.
it looks like it has a baby inside.
It does, right? It looks like a belly, like a pregnant mom.
Yeah.